Have you ever looked at the stems, leaves, or kitchen scraps you usually throw away and wondered if they could become beautiful, thriving plants? Most people assume that growing healthy plants always requires bags of soil, expensive pots, and complicated gardening techniques, but the truth is far more surprising. Some of the most popular plants in the world can grow happily in nothing more than clean water, a little sunlight, and a bit of patience. Imagine transforming an ordinary glass jar on your windowsill into a miniature indoor garden filled with lush greenery, fragrant herbs, and even flowering plants. It sounds almost unbelievable, yet thousands of gardeners are already doing exactly that. Today, we're exploring 30 incredible plants that can thrive without soil, and by the time you reach the end, you may never look at an empty jar or a leftover plant cutting the same way again. Before we begin, I'd love to hear from you. Tell me in the comments which country you're watching from and what you're currently growing at home. Every gardener has a unique story, and sharing those experiences makes our community even more inspiring. Now, let's discover just how simple water gardening can be. One of the biggest reasons water growing has become so popular is because it removes many of the frustrations that discourage beginners. There is no messy soil to clean up, no worries about drainage holes, and far less risk of overwatering. The roots remain suspended in fresh water where they receive the moisture they naturally seek, making this method surprisingly simple and rewarding. Our first superstar is the ever-popular pothos, a plant that has earned its reputation for being almost impossible to fail with. Simply take a healthy stem cutting just below one of the small nodes where leaves grow. Remove the lower leaves and place the node beneath clean water while keeping the remaining leaves above the surface. Within a week or two, delicate white roots begin stretching into the water, creating a fascinating display that is both decorative and exciting to watch. Place your pothos in bright, indirect light, refresh the water every week or two, and avoid letting leaves sit underwater because they quickly begin to rot. If you've never tried growing plants this way before, pothos is the perfect place to start. Another remarkable choice is lucky bamboo, a plant admired for both its beauty and its symbolism. Unlike many other plants that simply start in water before moving to soil, lucky bamboo can remain in water for years when cared for properly. Keep only the roots submerged, avoid harsh direct sunlight, and if possible, use filtered or rested tap water since the plant is sensitive to chlorine and fluoride. Refresh the water every couple of weeks and occasionally add a tiny amount of liquid fertilizer to maintain healthy growth. If you're hoping for a long-lasting indoor centerpiece with almost effortless maintenance, lucky bamboo is difficult to beat. Herbs also perform surprisingly well in water, beginning with fresh mint. Even the mint you buy from the grocery store can become a living plant. Remove the lower leaves from several stems, place them in a glass of clean water, and within days tiny roots begin to appear. Set the container near a bright window, replace the water regularly, and before long you'll have fresh mint ready to harvest whenever you need it. Basil follows a similar process, although it appreciates warmer temperatures and plenty of bright light. Fresh basil cuttings root quickly when placed in clean water, but the water should be changed every few days to prevent cloudiness and keep the roots healthy. Another kitchen favorite that amazes almost everyone is green onion. Instead of throwing away the white root ends after cooking, place them upright in a shallow dish with just enough water to cover the roots. Sometimes within only 24 hours you'll notice vibrant green shoots emerging from the center, creating one of the fastest and most satisfying gardening experiences imaginable. While the original bulb eventually uses up its stored energy, you'll enjoy weeks of fresh green growth from something that would otherwise have ended up in the trash. Spider plants offer another effortless success story. Their dangling baby plantlets already contain tiny root beginnings, making them incredibly eager to establish themselves in water. Simply detach a healthy plantlet, rest its base in clean water, and within days new roots begin developing. These elegant plants thrive in bright, indirect light and reward you with graceful arching foliage that looks stunning displayed in a clear glass container. Philodendrons deserve equal attention because of their remarkable adaptability. Whether you choose the classic heartleaf variety or another climbing type, stem cuttings root readily when at least one healthy node is submerged beneath the water. Their cascading vines create a beautiful indoor display, while requiring very little maintenance beyond regular water changes and indirect sunlight. Coleus brings something entirely different with its spectacular leaves painted in shades of burgundy, lime green, bright pink, and rich purple. A simple cutting placed in water quickly develops roots while becoming an eye-catching decorative feature all on its own. Bright filtered light helps preserve those vibrant colors, and weekly water changes keep the plant healthy and vigorous. Another incredibly fast grower is Tradescantia, often called Wandering Dude. This colorful trailing plant can produce visible roots in only a matter of days, making it one of the quickest plants to propagate. Its striking striped foliage adds instant beauty to any windowsill, and with regular trimming it continues producing fresh growth for an impressively long time. Finally, Peace Lily proves that even elegant flowering houseplants can adapt to life in water. Carefully rinse all the soil from the roots before placing the plant in a vase where only the roots remain submerged. Supported by decorative stones or the neck of the container, the plant continues producing its glossy green leaves and graceful white blooms while thriving in low to medium indirect light. Refresh the water every couple of weeks and provide a light feeding once a month to replace nutrients that soil would normally supply. These first plants reveal an exciting truth that many people never discover. Gardening doesn't always begin with a bag of compost or a backyard full of flower beds. Sometimes the journey starts with nothing more than a healthy cutting, a simple glass of water, and the curiosity to watch nature perform one of its most fascinating transformations right before your eyes. As you continue exploring the incredible world of water gardening, you'll discover that the possibilities stretch far beyond common houseplants. Chinese evergreen is a perfect example, offering beautiful silver, green, pink, or red foliage while thriving in low light and adapting effortlessly to life in water. English ivy quickly develops roots from simple stem cuttings and creates elegant trailing vines that look spectacular spilling over the edge of a glass vase or hanging container. Arrowhead vine, also known as syngonium, rewards your patience with rapid growth and fascinating leaves that gradually change shape as the plant matures, making it one of the most exciting species to watch over time. Monstera, famous for its dramatic split leaves, can also be propagated in water. Although it takes a little longer to establish strong roots, the transformation is incredibly satisfying as each new leaf unfurls into the iconic tropical shape loved by plant enthusiasts around the world. Sweet potatoes provide another unforgettable project. Suspend one over a container of water with the lower half touching the surface, and within weeks you'll witness an explosion of roots below and vibrant vines above, turning an ordinary kitchen ingredient into a beautiful decorative plant. Even common vegetables can surprise you. The base of a celery stalk will produce fresh leafy growth after being placed in shallow water, while the leftover base of a head of romaine lettuce can generate new leaves instead of ending up in the compost bin. These simple projects remind us that gardening isn't always about buying something new. It often begins by giving forgotten leftovers a second chance. For those who love fragrant herbs, rosemary is well worth the wait. Although it roots more slowly than mint or basil, the reward is a hardy aromatic plant that can continue growing in water when given warmth, bright light, and occasional nutrients. Begonias offer another wonderful opportunity because both stem and leaf cuttings can develop healthy roots, producing stunning foliage that becomes a living work of art inside a clear vase. Lemon balm fills your home with a refreshing citrus scent while rooting quickly in water, and oregano proves that flavorful kitchen herbs don't always require garden beds or large containers to flourish. Peperomia introduces an incredible variety of leaf shapes, textures, and colors, making every cutting feel unique, while many Dracaena varieties, including the familiar corn plant, adapt surprisingly well to water culture when provided with clean, chlorine-free water. Flower lovers aren't left out either. Impatiens often continue blooming while developing new roots, filling indoor spaces with cheerful color even before they're fully established. Lavender demands more patience, but successfully rooting this beloved fragrant plant brings a deep sense of accomplishment, proving that persistence often leads to the most rewarding gardening experiences. Different varieties of pothos, including neon, marble queen, and mandula, create breathtaking displays when several cuttings share the same vase, blending brilliant greens with creamy white patterns that instantly brighten any room. Tradescantia Nanook adds another level of beauty through its striking pink, white, and green striped foliage, producing roots in only a few days while becoming a true conversation piece on any windowsill. Gardeners who grow tomatoes can also take advantage of one of nature's smartest tricks. Instead of throwing away the side shoots removed during pruning, place those tomato suckers in water and allow them to develop roots before transplanting them into soil. This simple technique lets one healthy tomato plant produce several more throughout the growing season, saving money while increasing your harvest almost effortlessly. One of the most fascinating experiments remains the classic avocado pit. Suspended over water with only its base touching the surface, the seed slowly cracks open before sending a strong root downward and a fresh shoot upward. Watching that transformation unfold teaches patience and reveals the incredible power hidden inside what most people consider kitchen waste. Finally, true aquatic plants such as water hyacinth demonstrate that some species have evolved to live entirely in water. Floating gracefully across the surface, they develop impressive root systems beneath while producing attractive flowers and naturally helping improve water quality by absorbing excess nutrients. Regardless of which plant you choose, a few simple habits make all the difference. Replace the water regularly to provide fresh oxygen for healthy roots. Keep containers clean to discourage algae. Avoid exposing the water to intense direct sunlight for long periods. And remember that plants living permanently in water still require small amounts of fertilizer every few weeks because water alone cannot provide every nutrient they need. Room temperature water is always kinder to delicate roots than icy water straight from the tap, and giving each plant enough space prevents overcrowding while encouraging stronger growth. If you're completely new to water gardening, pothos remains one of the easiest and most reliable choices because it roots quickly, tolerates minor mistakes, and continues thriving with very little effort. Green onions deliver the fastest visible results, making them perfect for families or anyone wanting instant encouragement, while tomato sucker propagation may completely change the way experienced gardeners think about growing vegetables. The greatest lesson from all of these remarkable plants is that successful gardening doesn't always depend on expensive equipment, large gardens, or years of experience. Sometimes all it takes is a healthy cutting, a clean jar filled with fresh water, and the willingness to let nature reveal its quiet magic one root at a time. Every tiny root that appears beneath the water is a reminder that life has an incredible ability to begin again under the right conditions. So before you throw away another stem, herb, or vegetable base, take a second look. You might be holding the beginning of your next beautiful plant. I'd love to know which of these water-growing plants amazed you the most, so share your favorite in the comments along with the country you're watching from and what you're growing today. Your stories inspire gardeners everywhere and help this wonderful community continue to grow. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more simple gardening ideas, and join us again as we continue discovering easy, practical, and rewarding ways to bring more greenery into our homes and gardens. Until next time, keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep growing because every great garden starts with one small step and a little curiosity.